Picture this. You wake up to the soft glow of sunrise spilling through your window. Outside, there's a quiet lake surrounded by tall pine trees. The air is fresh, the morning is peaceful, and the only sound you hear is birds welcoming the day and the gentle ripple of water along the shore. You stretch comfortably in your bed, slowly opening your eyes while sunlight warms the small space around you. A moment later, you reach over to the compact kitchen beside you and prepare a warm cup of coffee. The smell fills the van as you slide open the door and step outside into nature. And the best part? Your entire home traveled here with you.
That's the magic of the Pössl Roadcar R540, a compact campervan designed to turn ordinary drives into unforgettable adventures. It's the kind of vehicle that makes spontaneous road trips possible and transforms simple parking spots into peaceful overnight escapes. Today, we're taking a full journey through this clever little motorhome. We'll explore the smart design, the comfortable living space, and all the thoughtful features that make it such a popular choice among travelers who want freedom without driving a huge motorhome. By the end of this tour, you might just start imagining your own road trip in this compact camper. Let's begin outside, where the adventure really starts. At first glance, the Pössl Roadcar R540 may look like a simple van, but there's much more to it than meets the eye. This camper is built on the reliable Fiat Ducato, a platform that has become one of the most trusted foundations for campervans across Europe. The reason is simple. It offers a smooth driving experience, solid stability on long highways, and enough power to handle mountain roads and scenic countryside routes without effort. What truly sets the Roadcar R540 apart is its compact size. At just about 5.4 meters long, it's significantly shorter than many other campervans on the road. And surprisingly, that smaller size becomes one of its biggest advantages. Because it's compact, it's far easier to drive than a traditional motorhome. Navigating city streets feels natural, parking becomes much simpler, and even narrow mountain roads feel manageable. This means your adventures aren't limited to large RV parks. You can explore hidden beaches, quiet forests, and small towns without worrying about tight spaces or difficult turns. It gives you the confidence to travel wherever curiosity takes you.
Looking at the exterior design, the van keeps things clean and practical. Instead of flashy details, the focus is on functionality and efficiency. The smooth lines and compact body help improve aerodynamics, while keeping the overall appearance modern and simple. Large side windows bring natural light into the living space and also give the van a bright and welcoming look from the outside. The sliding side door is one of the most practical features. With a simple motion, you open the door and instantly connect the interior with the outdoors. Whether you're parked near a mountain view or beside a quiet beach, that open doorway turns the van into part of the surrounding landscape. At the rear of the camper, you'll find wide-opening double doors. These doors make loading gear incredibly easy. Travelers often store bicycles, folding chairs, outdoor tables, or adventure equipment inside the storage space beneath the bed. It's the kind of setup that encourages you to bring everything you need for exploring the outdoors. But the moment you truly understand this camper is when you step inside. Looking at the exterior design, the van keeps things clean and practical. Instead of flashy details, the focus is on functionality and efficiency. The smooth lines and compact body help improve aerodynamics, while keeping the overall appearance modern and simple. Large side windows bring natural light into the living space and also give the van a bright and welcoming look from the outside. The sliding side door is one of the most practical features. With a simple motion, you open the door and instantly connect the interior with the outdoors. Whether you're parked near a mountain view or beside a quiet beach, that open doorway turns the van into part of the surrounding landscape. At the rear of the camper, you'll find wide-opening double doors. These doors make loading gear incredibly easy. Travelers often store bicycles, folding chairs, outdoor tables, or adventure equipment inside the storage space beneath the bed. It's the kind of setup that encourages you to bring everything you need for exploring the outdoors. But the moment you truly understand this camper is when you step inside. Moving further inside the van, you'll find the compact kitchen area. Even though space is limited, the Roadcar R540 manages to include everything you need for cooking on the road. The kitchen is equipped with a 2-burner gas stove that allows you to prepare warm meals wherever you travel. Next to it sits a small sink, making it easy to wash vegetables, dishes, or simply fill a kettle for tea or coffee. Below the counter, a refrigerator keeps your food fresh and drinks cold during long trips. Cabinets provide storage for cookware, groceries, and utensils. Everything is arranged within easy reach, which makes cooking simple and comfortable, even in a small space. One of the nicest things about this kitchen setup is its location near the sliding door. When you open the door while cooking, fresh air flows inside, and you can enjoy the view outside while preparing a meal. Imagine cooking breakfast while watching the sunrise over a mountain valley, or preparing dinner as the sky turns orange by the sea.
After a long day of travel, comfort becomes especially important, and that's where the sleeping area at the rear of the van comes in. The Roadcar R540 features a comfortable double bed designed for 2 people. The mattress provides enough space to stretch out and relax after a day of exploring new places. Windows around the sleeping area allow natural light to enter during the day, making the space feel bright and open. At night, they provide ventilation and a gentle connection to the outdoors. Many travelers say that sleeping inside a campervan feels different from sleeping in a hotel room. Instead of being surrounded by city noise, you fall asleep to the sounds of nature, wind through trees, waves along the coast, or quiet nighttime forests. Underneath the bed lies one of the most practical features of the entire van, a large storage compartment. This area can hold luggage, camping equipment, sports gear, and even bicycles in some cases. It's a flexible space that adapts to the type of adventure you're planning.
Despite its compact size, the Roadcar R540 also manages to include something many travelers consider essential: a private bathroom. Inside the van, you'll find a small but practical bathroom area that includes a toilet, sink, and shower. The design focuses on efficiency, using waterproof surfaces and a clever layout to make the most of the limited space. For travelers who enjoy long journeys or remote camping spots, having a bathroom on board adds an extra level of independence. You're not relying on public facilities or campsite bathrooms. You have everything you need right inside your own vehicle.
When it comes to driving comfort, the Roadcar R540 continues to impress. Because it's based on the Fiat Ducato platform, the driving experience feels stable and smooth. The steering is responsive, the cabin is comfortable, and the elevated driving position provides a clear view of the road ahead. Modern engine options provide enough power for highway driving while maintaining reasonable fuel efficiency for longer trips. Whether you're cruising along a coastal road or climbing through scenic mountain routes, the van handles the journey with confidence. What many drivers appreciate most is how easy the vehicle feels to control. Unlike large motorhomes that can feel intimidating, the Roadcar R540 behaves much more like a standard van. That simplicity gives drivers the confidence to explore more destinations without worrying about maneuvering a large vehicle. And that brings us to the biggest reason why so many travelers choose campervans like this one: freedom. The Pössl Roadcar R540 proves that you don't need a massive luxury motorhome to experience the joy of life on the road. With smart design, practical features, and a comfortable interior, it offers everything you need for memorable adventures. It's compact enough to drive almost anywhere, yet comfortable enough to live in during long journeys. For couples, solo travelers, or weekend explorers, it creates a perfect balance between mobility and comfort. Now, I'd love to hear from you. If you were planning your dream road trip, would you choose a compact campervan like the Roadcar R540, or would you prefer a large luxury motorhome with more space? And where would your first destination be? A peaceful mountain lake, a sunny coastal road, or a hidden forest campsite? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. The Roadcar R540 may be small, but it represents something much bigger. It represents the freedom to travel wherever your heart leads you, to wake up in new places, and to experience the world without strict plans. If you enjoyed this tour and want to see more incredible campervans and luxury motorhomes, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next adventure. And until next time, keep dreaming about the open road, because the next great journey might be waiting just around the corner.